Good evening, and welcome to the Hoover High School Virtual Open House. My name is Michael Hugh. I am the director of the Academy of Literature, Media, and Arts, or ALMA, which your son or daughter is a part of. We are one of the few comprehensive arts programs in the San Diego Unified School District, and we are happy to have your child as part of our academy. I am recording this from the new Performing Arts Complex. As you can see, that is the audience, and then I'm on stage, and we're very fortunate to have this new facility. And back there is our black box / dance studio / classroom. Anyways, hope you have a great evening. We have some great teachers working with us and some really good programs. Enjoy.
I am a junior at Hoover High. I like theater because it's fun and I'm a very shy person, so theater has really helped me open up more. What I want to be when I grow up is I'm not really sure, but I want to be my own boss. Thank you. I am ALMA.
Hi, I'm Clea Carium. I'm in 11th grade, and I like being in theater because it's a place where you can just openly express yourself without fear of judgment. And in other places on school, you might have to feel the need to put up a front and not be who you really are. But in theater, they encourage you to be yourself, and they want you to be yourself because it's theater. It's just a place where you can have fun and not worry about what other people think. So that's why I like theater. And when I'm older, I want to be a psychologist. I want to get my PhD. And that has nothing to do with theater. But if I had, my dream job is being an actress. But I like psychology a little bit better. I am ALMA.
Hello, my name is Eric Tang, and I'm a senior. I chose the ALMA Academy because it seemed like the only academy that represented art and entertainment, which is the fun stuff. And one of the best things about ALMA is taking theater. I chose theater because not only was it fun, but I was able to express my creativity and deepen my passion for theater. And lastly, I am ALMA.
You shut it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets make us.
Hello, my name is Luis Dorame, and I graduated from the class of 2018. I am currently studying violin performance at San Diego State University, and I've had the great pleasure of working alongside Mr. Ginsberg and the Hoover Orchestras for the past few years. As a senior, I fell in love with teaching music to the students, even more so after I was able to conduct and physically play the violin with them. The hard work and effort that students put into their craft, seeing them physically move together to make music, and the overall sound of string instruments are just some of the few reasons why I love music. ALMA interested me because of Hoover's music program, and I loved ALMA even more once the art classes came together for collaborative community events. I wanted to improve my writing through journalism, make music with my friends, learn what it means to become a musical ensemble director, and make connections with other students, faculty, and the City Heights community through making art. I am still ALMA.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to